I'm gonna do some parkour. If you guys don't hear from me, it's because I probably died. Got it.
Shit. Entendi. Ai, caralho.
Hello?
I can hear them
Hello?
through the wall.
Yeah, I can hear also.
Rodrigo died.
Oh, yeah. It's nothing new, nothing new.
But there's a monster. Did you see the monster?
Yeah, yeah. I was face to face with him.
I think it's a friendly monster. I think so.
It's not friendly, not fucking. It's friendly.
The one with the big mouth, yeah.
No
Is
shit,
Yann
right?
dead? I haven't heard. Ah, yeah, he's here.
Remember that the apparatus
So I
I
was scared for no reason.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, it's locked. It's locked. Hey, I think we need to have we need to find a key. You have a door here. And I need to find a way back home to. Por que eu tô falando inglês se eu estou sozinho? It's a gift.
Yeah. Can you take this big one?
Já vamos voltar? Really gonna go back?
Vamos. Au! Ok, não aconselho saltar daí.
Eu percebi que isso não seria uma boa ideia. Mas esperei você fazer, só pra ter certeza. E o
He's still inside, I think? No? Oh, he's outside,
Yeah?
okay.
Yeah. Oh,
What
yeah, it's the
the
movie.
fuck is it? Do you see that?
Yeah. What is that?
The red dot?
Yeah. It's like a. It
so.
could be that worm, right? Por que a gente tá falando inglês ainda?
Yeah.
Isso pode ser aquela larva grandona, não é?
Sim, mas ele está lá dentro. Como é que ela está lá dentro?
É, não sei, ela sempre foi do lado de fora, né? A gente vai voltar?
Eu queria ajudá-lo, mas já não vai haver tempo. Yeah, look at that.
He's not
He's
moving
dead.
anymore.
Let's go.
Yeah, he's dead.
I'm recording, so.
Love it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what happened, Yann?
I drowned.
Are you drowned?
Yeah, and I was like, I just threw myself off the ship.
Yeah, no, you're fucked. If you don't have a shovel and you can't get to, and you have to jump across the gap to get to the exit.
And I could do that?
Probably not.
Okay.
I think there's a fire exit at the top of the mountains.
Yeah, it'll be left at some point.
Top? Will be that one.
Try that jump. I believe in you.
No.
Oh, Pedro. Show how.
It's,
Yeah, it definitely I can.
Moisés! Não consegue, né?
Can you hear me?
Assim.
Cadê vocês?
Aí, anda pra aqui, segue a minha voz.
Ah,
estás aqui. Bora.
bora.
Do outro lado. Ou consegues ver isso, aliás? Yeah, para
Yeah,
aqui, para aqui.
Eu não consegui fazer o. Eu não consegui pular. Nossa, que rápido pra subir. I think it's something wrong with me. Jump.
the flashlights looking. Does anyone know where the rocket lands here?
Yeah, I think it's this. I think it's here. Yes, if I remember.
It's a nice clearing. Yeah. Taking its
Or
time.
that's it.
I'm with you
You
now.
sure you ordered flashlights?
Pretty sure. Let me check. Oh.
Ah, okay, I find Yann. Yeah.
Hello.
I couldn't find anything.
This is dog shit.
Shit, nothing.
To go this.
Okay, back here. I already went there. There's nothing there. The locked doors are in here. This is one of them.
Right?
A dead end. What a waste of time.
Oh,
second
Jesus fucking good.
Oh, you ice.
Oh shit.
Someone's dead.
You need to...
Someone's dead. What?
Shit! Oh! Hey!
Since when does he go for everybody?
Who's alive? Who's with me?
He just did a triple kill.
It just fucking
What?
popped off, man.
I can't even saw.
Oh, the most paranoid.
And I'm the laziest. Yeah, makes sense.
Is it really paranoia if all your co-workers died because they got killed by a monster?
Is it the same?
Oh,
No,
yeah,
this looks new. I've never seen this before.
it's the safe.
I don't know if I like this bridge.
Yeah, it's powered. Well, no shit.
Yeah, I thought so. What are these things? The nest.
How do you do that? Do you just
It's
Shit, did you
you
recall me?
do like that? Okay, I'm gonna
Oh,
get them.
oh.
way as well, yeah. You need to. Whoa!
So you usually would do that at the end of the day. I recommend you do that at the end of the game, because if they don't find their nests, they will just roam the map.
I did as well.
Yeah, there's a thing
What?
on your hand. Fucking
I guess
That's a good thing.
that's a friend.
I have a new friend.
The door here. Ah, it's locked. Ah, oh shit! Shit!
Shit, now I have one.
Oh shit.
I got one as well.
I have one also.
I can't go up there. What the shit?
Guys? Guys?
Man, I can't go up
Then I can climb.
Oh, you're here.
What?
Tô quase morrendo, não vou subir não.
Olha, tu mata, cara.
Hã?
Eu tô muito puxando a cabeça. Eu tô morto. Aí, tchau.
Tchau.
Não morri por pouco. Eu vou morrer.
Ok, consegui safar.
Os bichos te levantam.
Mano, eu tava morto.
Ai, quero me atacar, tá? Tô aqui.
Já fez uma. Já.
Então você tá tentando me levar também. Socorro, Rodrigo, socorro. Me ajuda.
Aí, lindo. mais já ficas aqui em cima, que é para o gajo não te largar lá de cima.
Caralho, ele vem de novo, não acredito. Me ajuda, Rodrigo. Corremos com isso aqui. Ah, tem essa abelhas ali, não dá pra ir. O que é aquilo? Ah, é um corpo? Ah, é o Yann. Eu vou levar ele. Esse Yann. Hello, Yann. Push it again. Esse é o pistola.
Man, that is so freaking funny.
Oh, take me home.
And you also died.
Hey, I'm dead. Hello.
Okay, I have one mission.
Eita.
Oh, shit.
Hey, the giants.
The creatures are out so early, like the Bracken was already in the facility, man.
That's how Yann died.
No, I got killed by bees. Oh, he's not dead.
And he's dead. Probably he's dead. Have the giant, have the bees, and also these flying things that grabbing you and I think he's here.
Yeah, GG.
Shit.
Yeah.
He's walking sideways even.
And now there's two of the monkey thingies.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, fine. Just put my hand off.
And it
I'm gonna drop it. That was fun.
Pedro is still alive?
I'm alive, man.
I just hear the turret and
Did you survive that turn?
oh shit! And I saw the turret. And I still alive. What the fuck? What's the idea with these plants? What the fuck?
This is some higher level graphics.
Yeah. Wow, nice graphic.
Made with Unity.
Made on Unity. Oh.
What's this?
Is this my Zench? It's a black. It's a black face.
Yeah, so. It's me.
But bro, I have no idea how to go back. Oh, I have a flashlight. What the fuck? Okay, this is empty. Useless. Uh-oh. Oh shit. My Zench, let's go fucking back.
Yeah. Ele tá aqui. Ah,
Zench,
dá a volta.
go.
Ah,
Mas sai. Corre, sobe. Bora. Não é por aqui. What?
eu acho que é pelo outro
Do outro
lado.
lado. Do outro lado. Bora. Opa.
Ah, tá a porta aqui. Pode ser.
Já foi.
It's a good idea, Storm.
If you drop against the
No.
body or if you
I mean,
drop someone
yeah, let's try it.
close.
I'm gonna
I have
put
no idea how many
experimentation.
you wouldn't kill. No fucking. Oh, that's fun. I'm not gonna take the stop sign.
Yeah, I wouldn't advise it.
Is the lanterns fine? Are the-
Hit me lightning. Wait, no, you.
Are the lanterns fine?
It's the key.
Someone
Yeah, let's try it.
close.